first things first, we have to go to the Autodesk page and download the Autodesk bonus tools. Then we have to install it. I've already installed it, so I just go on repair to show that I have installed this bonus tools. Then we have to download the zenTool. I've already packed the link down in the description. If you have downloaded it, you have to unzip it, and in the folder you have to find the init data, open it just with an editor or something else and pass down to the line 30, and then delete this and just write pass and save it. And that's the whole magic to bring it to work. Then just copy the whole folder, go to your Maya 2020 folder and paste it in the scripts. Back in Maya we have to go to the script editor, just copy this little text in the MEL file and run the script, and you see the zenTool works perfectly. So we can go to File, Save Script to Shelf, and put the script in the shelf so we can get it a little bit more easier. That's it. If you want to know more about the zenTools, I've already linked down below some tutorial where you can find more details to the zenTool. And here you can see in the version 2020 it works perfectly. Thanks for watching.